taking part in the 1500 meters. All set to go. There we go. 1500 meters middle distance track event. As I earlier said, it's a combination of speed, endurance and tactical racing. Since the beginning of the race, we can see bib number 233 setting her pace to take the lead position. The girl from Sri Lanka, Abhisheka Premasiri, and she is the bronze medalist in 2024 at the National Sports Festival in Sri Lanka. She had a best timing of 4 minutes 36.51 seconds. Still, we can see Abhisheka Premasiri taking the lead. 3 laps to go. They are settling the rhythm, conserving their energy, following the momentum from the inside. And now it's time for bib number 234, Dulanjana Pradipani, the National Junior Champion in 2024. The girl from Sri Lanka had her personal best at 4 minutes 37.61 seconds. So the two Sri Lankan girls in the upfront position, followed by the two Indians. So in every event we have a close competition between these two countries. With 300 to 200 meters to go, start to wind up your kick. When they are about to complete the last 300 to 200 meters, we can see the athletes are very quick reflexes from them. They react too early and running out of gas at those last finishing laps. At the back straight now. Still the lead continues with the Sri Lankan girls. But we can't say as of now, because 2 more to complete. In a bunch we can see from the outside, bib number 136 is trying to cut Vinita Gurjar, the girl from India. She is the junior nationals bronze medalist in 2023, having a best personal timing at 4 minutes 30.43 seconds. Yes, now she had dominated the Sri Lankans, trying to take the lead, Vinita Gurjar. And now the two Sri Lankans unable to maintain the lead. It's the final lap for 4 of the contestants, 4 athletes. It's time to prove their timing. Yes, in the lead, the Indians from inside. The girl was now dominated by 147 Laksita Vinod Sandilya, Dubai Asian Under-20 Championship silver medalist in 2024. Yes, from outside, she had dominated, now taken the lead. This is the final lap to her at the backstretch, coming to the bend. And now from inside, Vinita Gurjar taking the lead. What a competition between these two athletes. Now, the pace was increased, the strength we can see, the strides, the momentum, everything followed by 136 bib number Vinita Gurjar. Yes, this is a time to prove her timing. Give the personal best. All the strength. She is yet to finish. Completed now. Very classic finish we have seen from her. The first 2 positions secured by the Indians and the third bronze medal was taken by Sri Lankan. This is what since the start of the race, they should maintain their pace. The momentum. First, of course, we have seen by the Sri Lankans taken the lead, but obviously the Indians dominated the first two positions. Gold medal and silver medal was taken by the two girls of India and followed by the Sri Lankan for the bronze. Let's wait for the result.